If you're one of those people who are using their note-taking app as a task management app, then don't fret, you're not alone. For a long time, I also used to take notes in my note-taking app. Then I would remember that I had to do some projects and tasks. I would keep adding them to my note-taking app. The problem with this approach is that your note-taking app does not usually include a calendar with it. So it's very difficult to incorporate due dates and remind yourself of the important things that need to get done. So I highly recommend that you have a separate note-taking app which is separate from your task management app. I also recommend that in your task management app, choose an app, any app that also includes the ability to incorporate large scale or big projects under which those tasks can be categorized. Otherwise, you're just doing a set of tasks thinking that you're accomplishing many things, but maybe those tasks do not contribute towards your larger purpose. So in this video, let's look at a task management app called Todoist that I've been using for a while, and I find that it has some of these features that make it a very good task management app as opposed to a note-taking and task management app combined into a single app. Let's get started and see what Todoist is all about and how I use Todoist to manage my projects and tasks.
Many of the tasks that you want to accomplish do not live in isolation. They're almost always tied to some category or project in your life. That's why when you start using an app such as Todoist, I'd recommend that you first think about the high-level projects or categories in which you want to accomplish something. Then start creating tasks under those projects. To add a project, you can click the down arrow icon next to the projects panel on the left. Give your project a useful name. You can even add colors or add it to your favorites. At any point, you can click the ellipsis icon to edit your projects. You can even add child projects or move the projects around. For instance, for your personal projects, you can split them into a bunch of child projects. Another way to create your project is to click the Add Project button on the bottom left. You can also drag and drop your projects from one project into another. For instance, here I demonstrate how to move the vacations project from one project into another project. Now that you've set up your projects, it's time to add tasks by clicking the Add Task button within any project. To link a task to a project, you can type the hash symbol followed by the name of the project. This way, you can add your tasks from anywhere. By providing the correct hash symbol, they automatically get linked to the correct project. An amazing thing about Todoist is the ability to provide tasks in natural language. For instance, if you add a task such as go to the gym at 6 p.m. today, Todoist is going to recognize this as a time and it's going to add it to the to-do pane on the left. So at any point, you can click the to-do pane on the left to figure out which tasks you had scheduled for today. Those were the basics of the Todoist app for project and task management. Which tools do you use to manage your projects and tasks? Let me know in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching.